Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can dress like Wonder Woman and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, I'm going to give you an outfit idea for the superhero theme, guys. You can dress like Wonder Woman for the superhero theme and dress to impress. Okay, first of all, guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you can color it black, and you can choose this makeup look as well. And we're going to go to the corset area and we're going to wear this corset. I'm going to color it red and yellow for the corset. Okay, for the first selection, I'm going to select red, and for the next selection, color it yellow for the ribbon and the strip as well. Okay, and the next one, we're going to wear this boot. I'm going to color it red, and we're going to change the toggle to knee length. Okay, then let's move to the top area. Sorry, let's move to the skirt area. And then we're going to wear this skirt, and I'm going to change the pattern to this one. All right, and then I'm going to go to the necklace, and I'm going to wear this accessory and also this one, and I'm going to color it yellow. Okay, this yellow, and then I'm going to go back to this area, and then I'm going to wear item from the Valentine's update, this one, and again I'm going to color it yellow. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to move to this area and wear this item, and then I'm going to color it gray. Okay, this one, I'm going to change the color to gray. Okay, just make them gray for the first selection until the third selection. And I'm going to change the material to metallic. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Wonder Woman and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.